YouTube, man. The following, man, what we did.
We gotta take a picture.
Man, fuck that picture. Got the egg glass in the back. I got these dumbasses with me.
I got people looking at us. We said, come on, let's see. People looking at us.
Hold on.
Wait, Speedy, you not in it. Come back. Hold on. Wait, hold on. All right, after my question. He said,
I gotta be on the vlog. What y'all say, man? What y'all say? I'm these damn baby kids today. This is the biggest one right here. The biggest baby kid. This Arisha. This Keisha. This Larisha. Larisha.
That thing hanging. What? I need a bean bag. You see that? Wait, what y'all came here for?
That little butt.
Came here to steal. Oh my God.
That little ass butt.
That's what we came here for, a bean bag?
Should I go on right here? The twins. Shoot the twins.
Let me see. What it is, y'all? He talking about we got They came here to thief. Yo, oh my God, this a boy and a girl. Wait, hold on. This how she look when she a girl. And look, y'all see? And this how she look. Oh, she thought it's for. I'm staying motion. Big still. That nigga probably let me walk. Big stud, big. Oh, this looks so comfortable.
You want to do it when you record yourself?
Oh no. Ass fat.
She don't have it like that.
So y'all, let me tell y'all.
No.
Let me tell y'all. Out the stove. We ate out the stove. Alright, so we out the
Can we
stove.
get loose a little bit?
Let me tell y'all.
So let me tell y'all.
We just hit the best lit there was on fucking Walmart. Like,
Hey, YouTube. You know I just got the best lip.
so we even got fucking
We got the
liquor.
parking lot first.
Yeah. Yeah, let me see that bug ball.
I'm gonna get alcohol in my place and shit.
We did. We stopped. Why you ain't getting none?
Wait till we get in the car.
God, you know what I'm saying?
I need to taste it.
I'm being with people that never stole before. Ain't gonna like y'all gonna be like, damn, this nigga Speedy brought the whole stove. I swear, but what? Boy, I got the bitches right here. Sitting right
I'm
here.
getting a waterfall of that shit on God.
Both hands, them mini motherfuckers. Hey, you ain't getting shit that's mini. Let me show y'all what I got, man.
I know where my purse at. You could just pick it up and put it in your purse. Oh, here go my purse right here.
YouTube. Y'all know,
Just put all my stuff
hey, YouTube, y'all know I come through with the companies.
Y'all know, got that bub on. Cut. This nigga Speedy crazy.
Hold on. We got 2 Sprites. We got chips. Well, you got like on the pockets though. You got.
He stole the whole fucking stove.
Okay, boom. Then we got. Hold on, we ain't done. Got the one from.
Talking to eggnog. That's the one you said. Why you hit that nasty ass shit?
Hey, did I do a W? Hey, gonna lie, what's the name of this Walmart?
Southside Walmart.
Oh, I ain't never coming back to this bitch. I know I ain't never coming back. I ain't never coming back.
We another fucking buzz ball. But you probably like, I ain't never taking these bitches back to the store.
Chocolate.
Bring the whole thing.
Nah, it's like look at the end, like you can like taste that bit type shit. I'm good.
Damn, I want some beatbox.
Man, we lit, man.
More of a real bitch and my pussy wetter. Yeah, that shit wetter.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Turn that down. Oh.
She feeling like sexy red. Not a shot, not a shot. Who want a shot? Who want a shot?
I've been drinking since.
I didn't get fucked up last time, but I'm getting fucked up this time.
Hey, this is what I like to see, man. The camera's still rolling, man. We got my nigga Bam, man. Got my nigga Bam. We got this angry ass boy right here. Look who finally met up.
YouTube, man, that should be cool. I quit YouTube on some shit. You already know what I'm saying?
He on camera, man.
I want to go ride the scooters.
Has that been nasty?
No, I should have got this night.
Drink the damn liquor and shut up.
That been nasty. Yeah, I need some more damn white. That aftertaste is like.
Anyways, I'm drunk as fuck. We fucked up. And Ron need to roll another blunt because the fuck.
Man, that dot? That dot motherfucker? Okay then.
I keep it stick with me, nigga. I use it. Man, that nigga music dookie. Man, that shit therapeutic, huh? Nigga know just what we do. The 4D we rollin' through. That shit like a money. Any time of day we load the case and bitch we coming. We running with you too, so I don't see no sense in running.
Why she got this shit? This is like we said you feelings. He gon' fuck everybody. Hey,
This ain't no cock and ball. I'm also fucked up. I see murder chillin' in the park.
What in the fuck? But what in the fuck?
My type of beef. You ready to try that shit and die when that's fine with me. Alright? Lost it all before and went and got it back. Alright?
Do KT drink. Do KT drink.
Yeah, my girlfriend not gonna like that shit. But anyway.
Yeet yeet.
You got the what's the name again, bro? Get the fuck out of my Let's say he only took two. He only took two. Hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all in another clip. Say, what is what?
What is a Sprite?
You don't know what a Sprite is?
What is a Sprite?
Cuz.
You talking about like the wood thing that you hammer the wall with?
Oh, that's going on the real. This motherfucker said she don't know what a Sprite is.
A Sprite?
A Sprite? She don't know what a Sprite is.
Where it come from?
Where the cake come from? Just tell me, Will. She retarded. She done. She don't know what a Sprite is. So you don't know what this is?
No.
What? Damn! God damn!
Yes, sir.
Y'all had y'all falling down together.
Oh, what the fuck?
That's how these drunk people are, man.
Help me, God. No, help me. I'm in the top. Come on, knee.
Ow.
But you drunk as fuck. This what the fuck we gotta go to. God damn!
My leg.
Need help? Get up, bro.
What the fuck? Did I just do that?
Make sure you get every angle of this nigga. You see this nigga on
I don't be doing that.